Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by doing a fast, focused traffic audit so you know what to fix first. Open the traffic view and isolate which intersections and vehicle classes are stalled, then pause the game to mark those nodes. Once done, trace the main arterial lines feeding them, highways, cargo paths, and commuter routes so you can plan new flows. Make sure to note any mixed-use intersections where buses, trucks, and cars fight for the same lane. That conflict is usually the single biggest choke point. Next, you rebuild the flow by separating movements and giving each vehicle type a clear path. Start converting problematic intersections into one-way paired roads or grade-separated junctions to remove cross-traffic. Then add dedicated public transit lanes and a cargo terminal so trucks don't use arterials. This reduces mixed traffic dramatically. Once done, fine-tune lane arrows, turn restrictions, and traffic lights on each approach so vehicles don't block intersections. This surgical approach prevents ripple congestion and keeps throughput steady. To finish, you monitor the revised network through a full peak cycle and make iterative tweaks. Watch for lingering bottlenecks, then adjust signal timings, lane priorities, or add small bypass links where needed. If new jams appear, pause, isolate the new conflict node, and either reverse one-way flow or create a short bypass. That targeted fix is faster than wide rebuilding. Also make sure transit frequency stays high and parking policies reduce car trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.